In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reset YouTube recommendation. So first, I open YouTube on my PC. Now click on this logo icon. Then again click on U data in YouTube. Then scroll down. You can see this is all the history I watch now. Then click on manage your watch history. Then if you want to delete individual, this is a you need to long time, but I recommend you for delete all time. Then delete today, delete custom range, delete all time. Then click on again delete. Wow, it's already completed. Now you can YouTube uh, don't recommend you, and it's already received recommendation. Now if you want to nature video, then YouTube recommend you nature video. If you want to watch animal video, YouTube recommend animal video. I hope you understand. So this is the method how you can remove recommendation on YouTube. So if you found this video helpful for me, subscribe the channel. So you can take care. Goodbye.